Good day, guys. Okay, it's planting it now. So this is all Russian garlic here. My neighbor is doing the cutting trees, so be really noisy, guys. So here it is. I'm planting it already. Like this is between 6 to 10 inches or even longer, but because I got only small garden bed, so I just do this one instead. So you can do 6 or 10 inches. So I put 10 inches here. Okay, let's bury it now. See here. Over here. It's all garlic. So the rest of the little one, I put maybe small garlic. So that's a kapitbahay there. So anyway, let's get the thing right here. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 21 Russian garlic here. Nice. So wait for the visitor to get in, and then we're gonna bury them. So if you're a bigger one, you're gonna put a bit deeper. Okay. I just did it, I don't know, 3 minutes ago. Okay. Hello, YouTube friends. So I hope they done their job now. Hello, guys. Come to my live. Come to mama. Lol. Oh, it's getting hot. Hello, 1 million viewers. Hi, guys. Let's plant the garlic. Look. That's a big Russian garlic. It's in the ground now. It's a timing planting here in Australia. How you doing, guys? How you doing, everybody? Good day. So this is like between 6 to 10 inches, but I choose 10 inches gap each other. See how big is that? Because they are big garlic. As you can see, one cloves, look. Call it Russian garlic or elephant garlic. So this is the first year that I planting this kind of garlic. We'll see what happens. Thank you, 2 million viewers. Yay! Kamusta everybody? So our kapitbahay there doing cleaning their yard as well. So here it is. I'm just waiting for friends in YouTube to get it and show you. So this one is empty yet, but I'm going to dug this one soon. Here's more garlic. Here, see, and that's my seaweed solution before I put it again. Wow! I did cultivate it earlier, guys, using this shovel. Cute. What I've done cultivating it now. This is what happened in the other garlic bed here. Yes. Shoot me the comment below, guys, if you want to ask anything